What are we talking about today? Consistency, how it's the key to everything that you're doing in life. So today, I haven't been as consistent as I want to be with working out and exercising. And so it's one of those keys in my life that I want to do that all the time. So how do I do it? I'm going to get back into it. It's about kind of bringing back your passion, thinking about what are your goals? What's truly important to you? What do you want to achieve? What do you want to do? How do you want to get there? And then driving through with those items and being consistent with them. It's hard to achieve. You're not going to get it all the time, and that's okay. You're allowed to take a break here and there. But if it's something you really want, something that you're passionate about, that, man, I want to do this. I want to get a better physique. I want to be a little bit healthier. I want to make sure I'm eating well so that I look good, so that I feel good, so that I'm around a long time for my kids. That's my goal. And I feel a lot better and I work a lot better. My work improves, my relationships improve, everything does when I'm more consistent and disciplined in what I'm doing here. So today, I'm starting to get back into it. I urge you guys, take a look at what it is that you're passionate about and how can you get back into being consistent with what you want to do to increase the goals, the results in your life. All right, morning routine is completed. Wake up, exercise, eat, get the kids on the bus. Now I'm headed off to work. We got two goals today. One is to work out structure on a project that I'm working on. And the other one is to go around and talk to some local businesses, introduce myself as being new to Point Pleasant. So I like to have two goals each day, set priorities, and know really what are the things that I need to accomplish. Those are my goals, and I'll let you know at the end of the day how I do on accomplishing them. And if I set those, if I accomplish those, it'll be a good day. Set your goals today, pick two of them, top priority, and work on them like nothing else. They have to be most present in your mind. So what happened with my goals from yesterday? Did I get them both accomplished? No, I did not. So I got the first one done, the second one was not done. So then what happens is that second one that I didn't finish, that goes onto my list for the next day for the first. So I keep accomplishing at least that top goal. I like to have the top two in there. Just plug them through the week and you keep going on that. We're not perfect. Even though we know what to do, we're never going to achieve it perfectly. So what you can do is just make adjustments all the time. It's continual learning, continually saying, okay, why didn't I hit the goal? What do I need to do differently for tomorrow? And then you make a little adjustment and you try it again. And some days it's going to work out good. Some days you're not going to do what you want to do. That's okay. It's all about a learning process, right? So you do what you can, you learn, you think back on the day and say, what could I have done differently? What prevented me from being where I want to be and getting done what I wanted to? And then you try and make adjustments for the next day. And then at night you say, okay, tomorrow, what do I need to do? What are my top things for tomorrow that I have to do? What are the things that are going to get in the way? How do I avoid that? Continually learning, continually looking at it and trying to get better. Those are the things I found help me. Stay tuned. We'll see how it goes.